If you're selling a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, Mac Studio, or Mac Pro, do these steps in order. It prevents activation lock issues, protects your data, and makes the Mac ready for the next owner. Step 1. Backup fast. Step 1 is backup. If you want the fastest, most reliable backup, use Time Machine. Plug in an external drive, open System Settings, search Time Machine, and start a backup. If you're moving to another Mac, you can also use Migration Assistant later, but Time Machine is the simplest safety net. Step 2. Sign out of Apple services. Step 2 is signing out. Apple's official checklist is to sign out of iCloud and also sign out of iMessage before you erase the Mac. When it asks about keeping a copy of your iCloud data on this Mac, it's fine to keep it because we're erasing the Mac next. Then, open Messages app, menu bar, Messages, Settings or Preferences, iMessage tab, sign out. Step 3. Erase all content and settings. Step 3 is the actual factory reset. On macOS Ventura 13 or later, Apple recommends erase all content and settings. It's the cleanest reset because it removes your data and signs the Mac out properly. The Mac will restart and come back to the setup screen for the next owner. Once you see the setup screen, you're ready to go to sellmac.com. You can get an instant guaranteed offer right now, select your model and details, and get instant offers. Remove the Mac from your Apple account, only if needed. If you already sold the Mac or cannot access it anymore, you can remove it from Find Devices on iCloud.com to remove activation lock. Apple documents the steps in the iCloud guide. Open Safari and show the Apple support page. Remove a device from Find Devices on iCloud.com. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video. It helps more people find clear, reliable Mac tutorials like this one. Subscribe to the channel for step-by-step Apple and Mac guides, buying tips, and resale advice. If you're ready to sell your Mac, visit sellmac.com for an instant, guaranteed offer, prepaid shipping, and fast payment. Looking to upgrade? Visit our partner site Techable.com to find your next MacBook at a great price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.